Hello! Welcome again to another edition of Practical English, your smart guide to the English language. I am your host, Peter, and today we are going to look at defining relative clauses. Defining relative clauses are a really useful aspect of the English language because they are clauses in a sentence that explain what something is. So if you don't know the word for something, you can use defining relative clauses to explain what something is. So we're going to take a look at three examples here of sentences where the speaker is trying to explain what something is. There is a missing word in each of these sentences, and see if you can figure out what they are. It's a place, blah, blah, blah. You buy medicine. It describes a person, blah, 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 doesn't like to work, and it's a thing, blah, 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 you use to take pictures. Now, I will tell you, there is one word that can complete all three of these sentences, and that is that. It's a place that you buy medicine. It's a place, describes a person that doesn't like to work. It's a thing that you use to take pictures. But we do have specific pronouns we can use as well. So for a place, the pronoun is where. It's a place where you buy medicine. But the rule is where must be followed by a subject, which in this case it is. The subject is you. It's a place where you buy medicine. If, for example, you have a place, but the subject is not the beginning of the clause, then you have to use that. For example, it's the restaurant that has great cakes. For people, we use who. So it describes a person who doesn't like to work. And for things, we use which. It's a thing which you use to take pictures. And what are these things? It's a place where you buy medicine. That is a pharmacy. It describes a person who doesn't like to work. That is lazy. And it's a thing which you use to take pictures. That is a camera. So, here we see a little chart for our rules. Who and that for people, which and that for things and animals. We do not use who with animals. And where for places. That if it is not followed by a subject. All right. So complete these sentences with a relative pronoun. An octopus is an animal, lives in the sea, and has 8 legs. I always thought of them as arms myself, but okay. Again, we don't use who for animals, so the correct pronoun here is which. An octopus is an animal which lives in the sea and has 8 limbs. Let's call them limbs. A lawnmower is a machine, cuts the grass. A machine is a thing. So again, the correct pronoun here is which. A lawnmower is a machine which cuts the grass. A surgeon is a doctor, does operations. A doctor is a person, so the pronoun is who. A surgeon is a doctor who does operations. A changing room is a room people try on clothes. A room is a place, and it is followed by a subject, so the pronoun is where. A changing room is a room where people try on clothes. A porter is the person helps you with your luggage. Okay, it's a person, so the pronoun is who. Garlic is a kind of food, keeps vampires away. I'm pretty sure that's a myth, but hey, vampires are a myth too. Food is a thing, so the correct pronoun is which. Garlic is a kind of food which keeps vampires away. A garage is a place mechanics repair cars. Okay, so for places, the pronoun is where, provided it is followed by a subject, and it is. Mechanics is the subject. And that's it. So, from Sao Paulo, this is Peter from Canada saying, have yourself a great day and a great week. Thanks for listening. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you next time. Thanks a lot.